Everyone, welcome to Sets in Python coding exercise. In Python, a set is a collection of objects which is both unindexed and unordered. Sets make sure that there are no duplicate elements in the item sequence. In this video, we are going to implement sets, and to do so, we are going to start with creation of an empty set. You can create an empty set using set function. Now I'm just going to print my newly created empty set, as well as would like to know the type of my set. So you can see that my set has been created and the type of it is nothing but class set. Next we are going to create a set with some items in it. So I've intentionally created a set where some of the elements are occurring more than once. So now let's see how sets remove the duplicates. So you can see the duplicates have been removed. Next we are going to create a set from list using set method. So you can see that my set has been created from the list, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 20. Next I am going to add items using add method to my set. So I'm going to use the set one which we have created previously, this one, dot add, and I'm going to add an element 100. So you can see 100 has been added to my set. Next, I'm going to add multiple elements using update method. I'm going to use the same set, set1. So you can see that my newly created set has all the elements that I have added using the update method along with the existing elements. Next, we are going to remove some elements using the method discard, pop, and remove. So I'm going to use the set1. And I'm going to implement the discard method. Now I'm going to print after discarding the element 100. So you can see 100 has been discarded from my set. Next, I'm going to implement the remove method. So you can see after removing 40, this is the set that we have gotten. Next is the pop method. The pop method takes out the last element of the set. So after popping the element, you can see I've gotten this set. Next is set operations. So the set operations that we are going to implement is union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. So for this, I'm going to create 3 sets first. Now I'm going to do the union of the 3 sets. Union of XYZ is a set of all elements from all 3 sets using OR operator or union method. So you can see after union, you can see all the elements from these 3 sets have been combined together and they are formed as one set. Next is intersection. Intersection of XYZ is a set of all elements from all 3 sets using AND operator or intersection method. So you can see the common element between these 3 sets is nothing but the element 50. Next is difference. Difference of x and y is a set of all elements from both sets using dash operator or difference method. So you can see that after implementing set difference, the difference between these 2 sets x and y gives us the set 10, 20, 30. Next is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of set XYZ is set of all elements from all 3 sets using exponent operator or symmetric difference method. So the symmetric difference gives us a set of these 5 elements between the sets X, Y, and Z. If you want to check the membership whether an item exists or not in a set, then you can do so using in keyword. So I'm going to use the same set. And now I'm going to check the membership using in keyword. So the output of this is either true or false. If the element exists, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So yes, 70 exists in my set. Next is iterating through set. If you want to iterate through each and every element of the set, you can do so using the for loop. So I'm going to use the same set. So you can see all the elements of the set have been printed. Next, if you want to get the maximum and minimum element in your set, then you can use maximum and minimum function. So for this, I'm going to use the same set. So you can see that the maximum element is 100 and the minimum element is 10. If you want to calculate the sum of all the elements of the set, you can use the sum method. So I'm going to use the same set. So you can see the sum of all the elements of this set is nothing but 410. Enumerate. If you want to return an enumerate object which contains the index and the value for all the items of the set as a pair, you can do so using the enumerate method. So you can see along with the value of all the items, it also gives you the index. If you want to know the length of your set, you can do so using the length function. So there are total 8 elements in my set. Next is frozen set. Set which has the characteristics of set but its elements cannot be changed once assigned. That's frozen set for you. So I'm going to create 2 frozen sets. And then I'm going to do a union of both x and y. So you can see after doing the union, all the elements that belong to x and y have been union into one set, and you can see the output as this, where no element has been duplicated. That's it from my side for sets in Python. Hope you enjoyed this coding session. Thanks for watching this video.